others are sleeping in. It's time to go. There's loser number 1. There's loser number 2. Loser number 3. Loser number 4. And loser number 5. Corey. Que chico. Que chick. Loser. Let's see who else we have. This is Niles Prime, otherwise known as the Yellow Ranger. Good morning. And this over here is Brown Jesus, Ripfire. And that over there